Hello guys, and welcome to my new emergency scenario. And today, my third scenario version is Chicago Rampage. So if you want to begin our scenario, leave like and get ready. So this is a Hebrew going to begin. Let's get started. Civil emergency message. The following message is transmitted at request of the Chicago Police Department. A mysterious creature has roaming around the city of Chicago. It is unknown what creature is, but it is likely that all residents in Chicago are advised to seek shelter in the building. It may collapse in any hour. Interesting. So let's move on. About a few minutes later, the following message is transmitted at request of the Chicago Police Department. There are many reports of rampage over the Chicago metro area. The creatures for the name was identified. The name of this thing is the tail unit and like rampage the city. The other one, the name is Gorilla, and she's rampage over the Chicago in the Willis Tower. This is not a test. All residents of Chicago are advised to stay away from the things because it's not too safe. Stay tuned to this channel. It's like the gorilla and the rampage thing has identified. Wait, a few minutes later. Civil danger warning for the city of Chicago. The rampage and the gorillas is going around the tallest building, the Willis Tower. All residents of the Willis Tower are advised to evacuate the city immediately, which is expected to destruct the tallest building within the next 10 minutes. Stay tuned to this channel for further information. The following message is transmitted at request of the Chicago Police Department and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. Residents of Chicago, evacuate the city now. Reports that the rampage and the gorilla expected to occur going on the rampage of the tallest building, Willis Tower. Reported of the city has been currently attempting to stop the creature. This is not a test. All residents of the city of Chicago are advised to get ready. This is not a test. Stay tuned to this channel for further information. And then about a few minutes later, something unthinkable happens.
Galing nga pa na yung ginagawa na.
About a few minutes later, something unthinkable happens. Something unthinkable happens.
Yeah, we're watching the movie, anak. That's just in the movie.
Nene.
It's not
It's
true.
not real.
Nene.
Uh-huh.
Something unthinkable happens. Situation may worsen, and something may get worse, and unthinkable happens. Let's put the volume up. This is a scenario version. This is not right.
Gabriel, what is that?
Check.
It's the game. This is an emergency action notification requested by the White House. All EAS participate for forward activation proceeds in the EAS operating control for a national level emergency. The President of the United States or his once representative will deliver a message of the emergency alert system. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. Wind radio programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit an emergency action notification messages. This station has interrupted its regular programming at request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is KTL5 TV. We will continue to serve the Los Angeles area. If you're not in this local area, tune out. A station is providing news information for your local area. You are listening to emergency alert system serving the Los Angeles area. Do not use the telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated. We interrupt regular programming at request of the White House. This is an emergency alert system. All normal programming has been discontinued during this emergency. This is KTL5. We will continue furnishing news and information instruction for the Los Angeles area. If you are not in the Los Angeles area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. It is important you carefully listen to this announcement for your local area. The following message is transmitted at request of the United States government and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Please pay close attention to this alert because this message is contains on a national crisis. As of 4:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time, there have been many reports of Rampage and the global Rampage over the Willis Tower, and they're pushing the Willis Tower away so the thing can destroy the tallest building. Also, the tallest building of the Willis Tower has, in fact, destroyed. This destroy has fallen, pick up some debris, and also reported as an explosive during this massive destruction over the Chicago metropolitan area. There have been reports of the Rampage are evacuating the city right now. All residents of the United States are advised to seek an underground shelter right now. Residents, along with several leaders, has set up the following cities: Milwaukee, Wisconsin; Indianapolis, Indiana; Bloomington, Illinois; Peoria, Illinois; Champaign, Illinois; Gary, Indiana; Davenport, Iowa; Des Moines, Iowa; Michigan City, Indiana; Kenosha, Wisconsin; Raisins, Wisconsin; Decatur, Illinois; St. Louis, Missouri; Lafayette, Indiana; and Moline, Rock Island; and Quad City, Illinois. These cities are experiencing little to no ash of debris and explosions from Chicago Willis Tower. All residents of Chicago take necessary supplies for your shelter, such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, a first aid kit, phone chargers, and a battery powered or hand cranked radio with extra batteries, and take necessary and are advised to evacuate this. Evacuations are taking place over the city. For these cities are advised to evacuate the city right now. This is not a test. This is a city such as Louisville, Kentucky; Nashville, Tennessee; Madison, Wisconsin; Minneapolis, Minnesota; Omaha, Nebraska; Kansas City, Missouri; Wichita, Kansas; and Detroit, Michigan. These cities are experiencing of the evacuations for all residents of a 1,000-mile radius of Chicago due to the ongoing Willis Tower. reports that the crashes has reported a massive destruction. However, if you are in the closer building, evacuate the city and stay away from the Willis Tower. If you are in a mobile home or vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This is only the reason why that the Rampage is reported all over the tallest building of the Willis Tower and causes a massive destruction of other buildings, including 300 and South Wacker and the Franklin Tower Center. This has also happened that the thing has been reported. It has some substantial causes and about a lot of deaths, injuries, and fatalities over the Willis Tower. There have been many reports of several, and the Chicago Police Departments are arrived to investigate the scenes, and the helicopter also has crashed due to the Willis Tower ongoing. Stay tuned to this channel for further information as it becomes available. This is an emergency action termination. The Chicago from the Willis Tower has cleared up, and all residents may now return to their homes. I repeat, Chicago of the debris of the Willis Tower has cleared up, and all residents may now exit their shelters. However, there is massive damage over the Chicago Loop area in downtown Chicago. If your shelter is destroyed, call 911 in the military base, and the law enforcement will take you into an undisclosed location. This is an all-clear message. This concludes the operation of the emergency alert system. All no government operation may now resume. Your government thanks you for your cooperation. This message will repeat. This concludes the operation of the emergency alert system. All novel programming operation may now resume. Apology. The Chicago Tower has been destroyed due to the ongoing of an emergency that the Chicago Police Department has arrived at the scene. So, thank you for watching my third scenario, and I will see you next time.